It was minus 24 degrees with a minus 50 wind chill. We are about to commence the egg cracking on a cold pan. I'm an amateur videographer, so let's go. So here's an egg, here's a cold frying pan, here's great outdoors. Let's see what happens. I'm an idiot. The eggs that I pulled out of the fridge were the boiled ones that I boiled last night. These boots are old, but it's literally so cold outside that my boots cracked. No way, look at that. I tried pulling the boot off. The shell proceeded to crack completely off of it. I don't think this boot is being used again.